Number 9, we're going to simplify. These are all numbers inside a radical, and we need to break down those, okay? You want to break them down using perfect squares. So we want to take a look to see if there's any perfect squares in 75. And that would be 25 is a perfect square. So the 75 can be seen as 25 times 3. We can now split those into their individual radical. So radical 25 times radical 3. Radical 25 can be simplified down to just the value of 5, and the radical 3 is left by itself. That would be its complete answer. Once we use simplify, it becomes 5 radical 3. Next, 80. We can look for some perfect squares in 80. Okay, and let's see what perfect squares are in 80. We can use 4. If we can use 4, we can use 16. So it seems like 80 is made up of 16 times 5. We can now split this into the individual radical. Radical 16 times radical 5. Radical 16 can be broken down into 4. Nothing happens to that radical 5, so the final answer would just be 4 radical 5. Next, we have the square root of 32. 32 can be broken down into 16 times 2. Okay, we can now put them into their own individual radical. Radical 16 times radical 2. Radical 16 breaks down to just the number 4. Nothing happens to that radical 2. That would be the final answer for radical 2.